Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I need to tell you that the video will be very long, because in this video, I will show you how to make shield, how to use the shape builder tool properly, and how to move your design above from the lines, as well as show you how to add shadow to your design. So, make sure to watch carefully to the end, and then write in the comments section the most valuable information that you find it in the tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start the video. First we make a shield for our today's logo. If you don't make shield, you can take help of Google. There are various type of shields in Google. By the way, I'm going to make a shield. So first take ellipse tool and draw a circle. Turn off the fill color of the circle. Now select the circle, and copy it by hold Alt and place it little bit distance like that. Now select the circle, and make it group. Now take line segment tool, and draw a line equal to the corner of the circle. Copy the line by hold Alt and place it another corner of the circle like that. Now select two lines, and make it middle align center, and group it. Okay, that's good. Again take line segment tool, and draw a line. Select the line, and go transform, and make it 20 degree. Now reverse the rotate line. For that, click on right button of mouse, and select transform, select reflect, and copy it. Now select two lines, and make it group. Now select everything, make it middle align center. Now select the rotate line, and downward it. Now you need to think, in what position you should keep the lines, that the shield will look good. Suppose, I copy it 3 times. Now I keep the rotate line in different position for each shield. Okay, now select everything, take shape builder tool, and draw the shield. I think you can easily understand that which shield is look good. I think the middle one is perfect. So I keep the middle one, and delete others thing on the artboard. Select the shield, and turn off fill color. Now I'm going to design S letter in the shield. So for that, you need to copy the shield, and make it little than current one. For copy, select the shield, and go edit. And select copy, again go edit, and select paste in place. Now make the shield small like that, and do it more. But the distance for each shield is not equal, but for logo design, we need equal distance among the shields. There is an easy method to do it. First copy the current shield. And make it minimum smaller that you need. I think this small size is perfect. Now select the both shield and go Object and select Blend and click on Make. Again go Object and select Blend and select Blend Options. From the spacing, select Specified Steps and take how many shields you need. I think 3 is perfect for me. Then click on OK. As you can see, the Shape Builder tool doesn't work while selecting the shields. But why? Because the shield need to expand first, then the Shape Builder tool work. So select the shield, and go Object, and select Expand Appearance. Again go Object, and select Expand. So, I need to make grid by lines, because without grid, I can't design letter. So for making grid, first take Line Segment tool and draw a line. Copy the line by hold Alt and make more copies by hold Ctrl and pressing D. As we can see that our lines do not match with the grid. But what is the problem? The problem is, we should make grid according to rotate lines, not straight line. So, select the shield, and make it straight by rotate 20 degree. Now take Line Segment tool, and draw a line. And copy it by hold Alt. And make more copies by hold Ctrl and pressing D. As we can see, this is now perfect with the shield. Now select the lines, and make it horizontal align left, and group it. Now select the shield, and go back normal position by following the method. Now select the line, and rotate it 20 degree like that. Select Rotate Line, and make it reverse by following the method. And select the lines, and make group. OK, that's good. Select everything, and make it middle align center. As we can see, our shield is used fill color, but the line is used stroke color. So we should make the two same color. So I am changing the line stroke color into fill color by the method. Now place the shield perfectly like that. If you think this is not perfectly placed, go Outline mode by press Ctrl Y and place it perfectly like that. Go back normal mode by press Ctrl Y. OK, that's good. Now select everything. And keep copy 1. Because if we make mistake, we can work with the reserve one. Now select Lines and Shield. And take Shape Builder tool, and make sure that Fill Color is turned on. Now draw the S letter perfectly on the shield like that. We have designed the S letter on the shield, but if you keep gap on the two side, the design will looks more good. So we again designing logo on the reserved lines and shield. Do it carefully, otherwise you can make mistake, and then, your design will not match. Finally, we have designed our logo. Most of the viewers ask me, when they design, their fill color goes vanish. This is only happen when you take Shape Builder tool without fill color. As you can see, I just turn off the fill color, and click on the design, and that is vanish. So, make sure that, your fill color is turned on. Another most popular question of my viewers is that, they can't move the design above from lines. This was happen when you didn't properly ungroup your design. So, first you need to ungroup your design, then you move the design. I think everyone can understand now. As we can see, I have made mistake, that's why I always told you guys, when you are designing your logo on lines, be careful. Now I fixed it by going back. Now, I add shadow on the design. First take line segment tool, and draw a line equal to the middle of the design like that. Select the design, and take Shape Builder tool, and take dark white color. And click on one side of the design. Okay, that's perfect. Now take pen tool, and draw shadow like that. Okay, I have added the shadows on the design. So friends, this is my today's logo design video. I think this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you.